folks, spring is here and some pictures of spring around the homestead here. It's been a great spring. Had to do a couple little revisions on my dock out on the sauna there. I'll show you that. Did get attacked by a bear, but I survived. We had to raise it up. Paul and I had to raise it up and slip some more support under there.
All right, let's see if we can get it
because
with
the
that.
barrels,
We can,
as
we
it
have
turns
to, we
out,
can go
I
higher.
punctured them and they weren't working very well. So I made a pontoon right here in the middle, and that way it supports the whole thing. And it also gives it a little more lateral strength because it was kind of really tippy. So this gives it a wider footprint on the water, which seems like it's working. It's been great taking saunas this spring. Uh, Perfect weather, and the water has just been really great, nice temperature. And it's been really great now that I have the dock all set up. I can get to the end and slip myself right in there. I did have to also do a little work on the ladder. The rungs had gotten really slippery from just being in the water with the slime, so I put some carpet on them. I also bought some land and at a different spot, and I've been starting to work on that, so let's take it from there. Hi, folks. I'm on the new property now. I brought my truck with a bunch of black locust saplings, and brought a culvert, piece of a culvert, and I got my skid steer, had that on the back of the truck here. I just unloaded it, and some planks because we're making a road up through here, way up to the back up in there. So, but the first thing I want to do is get some locusts planted in around here so they spread like along this line here. But I also, before I make the road, I want to take out these little pine trees here and bring them back to my other place. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's one of the reasons why I got this property. I love that sound of the wind in these pines here. Just kind of a. So working on the road here. I got all my locusts planted that I brought there, all the way up along the side here. I want to create a little barrier so that my neighbor, I can't see them. Also, I want the locusts to be able to spread. And so scratching out this road a little bit. And more locusts. focus in here. So this is as far as I can go today until I bring my backhoe, because I've got a little stream here. That's what I brought the culvert for, right in here. This is a little wet on that side, so I gotta get the backhoe in here, dig out a hole there, put my culvert in, dig out another hole here, and then that'll dry that out hopefully. And then I can throw rocks in there and cover the whole thing over with some dirt or crushed stone or something, and then continue up my road up there. Okay, so I got the culvert, 2 pieces. I had some spare pieces, and it looked like they were supposed to go together here, but I struggled with that, pushing with the skid steer and prying, and I even made 2 chainsaw cuts here to loosen the tension a little bit, and still couldn't go together. So I ended up screwing it. It's not where I want it to be, but it's the best I got. I'll just bury it with this side down, I guess. And yeah, so my roadway is a muddy mess now today. We got big rain. Now I've been putting some crushed stone here. Now I'm going to dig out to drop the culvert in, because it's not going to go very deep actually, because there's not much of a grade, from here down. It's just pretty even. So the culvert will basically sit right in there, and there'll probably be a little hump of gravel, stone and stuff over to fill in that wet spot over there. I decided to use some old stones from a wall that's in the woods here. I'll just cut some of this brush back, and then I can get in there and pull the stones out and use them on both sides of the culvert. Thanks for watching. That's all for right now. We'll get back to this. This is me and the guy that really inspired me to do this whole thing, so I can keep him posted on what I've been doing on my land, my dad.